Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper. A malfunctioning zipper can be frustrating, but often it is a simple repair. First, carefully examine the zipper to understand the problem. Is the slider completely off the track, or is it just refusing to move? Look closely for any bent teeth or fabric that might be jammed. Understanding the issue is the crucial first step to a successful fix. Once you have identified any bent teeth, grab a pair of small pliers. Gently but firmly straighten each bent tooth until it aligns perfectly with the others. This step is vital for the slider to move smoothly. After straightening, apply a dry lubricant such as graphite from a pencil or a bit of wax to the teeth. This helps the slider glide effortlessly, reducing friction and preventing future snags. If your zipper slider has come completely off, reattaching it requires a bit of patience. Begin by aligning the two sides of the zipper at the bottom stop. Carefully guide the slider onto the teeth, starting from one side and then the other. Sometimes, you might need to gently pry open the slider's opening by a tiny fraction, perhaps 1/16 of an inch, using a small flathead screwdriver to help it grip the teeth. After reattaching the slider and realigning the teeth, it is time to test your repair. Slowly move the slider up and down the track 2 or 3 times to ensure it operates smoothly. For ongoing maintenance, regularly apply a zipper lubricant to keep it functioning well. If the slider continues to fail or the zipper separates, it might be time to replace the slider itself for a more permanent solution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.